Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of travel and show you how to make money while doing it. Today, we're going to talk about the various ways you can turn your passion for travel into a profitable career. There are many ways to make money while traveling, and it's important to know that the travel industry is constantly evolving and offers a variety of opportunities for those who are willing to think outside the box. Here are a few ideas for making money while traveling. Blogging or vlogging. Starting a travel blog or YouTube channel can be a great way to document your journey and make money through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. According to a survey by BlogLovin, the average blogger earns $19,000 per year. Influencer marketing. If you have a large following on social media platforms, you can use your influence to monetize your travels by working with brands, promoting products and services, or even getting sponsored trips. Tour guiding. If you have a wealth of knowledge about a specific destination, you can work as a tour guide and lead groups of travelers around the area. Digital nomad. With the rise of remote working and the gig economy, it's now possible to make a living while working from anywhere in the world. From web development to graphic design, there are many opportunities to work remotely and make money while traveling. Hospitality industry. From being a tour operator to working in hotels, to being a travel agent, the hospitality industry offers a wide range of opportunities for those who love to travel. Photography or videography. If you have a talent for capturing beautiful shots, you can make money by selling your photos or videos to magazines, websites, or even tourists. Travel writing. If you have a way with words, you can make money by writing about your travels for magazines, newspapers, blogs, or websites. Teaching English as a foreign language. English is widely spoken around the world and many people want to learn it. If you're a native speaker, you can make money by teaching English to students in other countries. Freelancing. From writing to graphic design to programming, there are countless opportunities to freelance while traveling. Pet sitting or house sitting. You can make money by taking care of someone's pet or house while they're away. First, let's talk about starting a travel blog or vlog. By sharing your experiences, tips, and recommendations, you can attract a large following and monetize your content through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and advertising. Another way to make money by traveling is by becoming a travel photographer or videographer. By capturing beautiful images and footage of your travels, you can sell your work to the stock photo and video agencies, or license it to travel and tourism companies. You can also make money by traveling by becoming a travel agent or tour guide. By organizing and leading tours and trips, you can earn a commission on each booking and enjoy the benefits of traveling while helping others do the same. Finally, you can make money by traveling by becoming an influencer. By building a large following on social media, you can monetize your content through sponsored posts, brand partnerships, and more.